That was an illegal shooting, and it was death by government firing squad. Period.
A $100 million lawsuit filed against the city of Lansing and its police department following an officer-involved fatal shooting. It's our top story at 6. Thank you for joining us. I'm Siobhan Klepfer. Sherry is on assignment. Today, attorneys representing the family of 33-year-old Stephen Romero filed a lawsuit calling his death an illegal police shooting. The Lansing police chief says Romero would not obey officer commands and he reached for a gun. Darylyn Horn spoke with a former police officer to get his take on the shooting, and she is here for you now with more on the case and the lawsuit.
Siobhan, the Romero family is being represented by Figer Law out of Detroit. The family's lawyer says the city has not been transparent by only releasing an edited video of the incident. But what is on the video is pretty telling, according to at least one former sheriff.
One of the things that you're not seeing in that video is you never see the police attempt to de-escalate.
Figer Law attorney James Harrington is representing the family of 33-year-old Stephen Romero. He was shot and killed by police December 1st. Harrington says the body cam footage shows Romero was never a threat.
Bro, what are you doing? We heard that on the video. He sets the cell phones down. He puts his hands in the air. This was a bad shoot every day of the week.
Since that shooting, it's been announced that the family is suing the city of Lansing and 3 LPD officers for $100 million.
If you want to say anything, I think at this, no, okay.
Stephen's wife, Ashley, too emotional to speak after the lawsuit was announced today.
I believe if a jury watches that film, they'll say the officer had no choice.
Former Eaton County Sheriff Rick Jones, who served for 31 years, says everything leading up to the encounter with Romero, including the domestic call, gave officers the right to shoot.
So they assume going into this that a woman has been shot. Once the man put his hand on the gun, you have to assume he was going to draw it and fire.
The family's attorney says the city of Lansing has not been transparent from the start. He wants all the unedited body cam footage to be released, not an edited down version with dialogue from the chief of police.
We confirmed that we were seeing the video, and then all of a sudden, we're shown something completely different. Lansing hasn't seen it. Metro Detroit hasn't seen it. Michigan hasn't seen it. Where's the transparency?
Mayor Andy Shor's office sent us a statement about today's press conference saying that, quote, LPD works every day to protect the public and respond to violent situations, and they will await the report from Michigan State Police to comment about legal actions, end quote. Siobhan?